All right, so I had a little bit of time to add some more features today. So this will be the second video for the daily build for the 15th. Just made some enhancements to the matching game. So I added the ability to create a new game and created 3 difficulty levels: easy, medium, and hard. Easy, produces a 4x4 grid. Medium produces a, what was it, 6x6 grid, and then hard produces a 10x10 grid. Now this is just a grid view control, but I put it inside of a view box. So as it gets smaller, the boxes get smaller. Now the challenge with that is it makes it a little bit harder to read. And potentially hard for the fingers, for you to get your fingers on one of these little buttons. I'll have to do a little bit of testing on a phone, but as you can see, I've implemented some of the functionality such that now I have selected 2, but I don't have a match. Oh, I also added ads. I've seen that guy before. Hey, there's Greedo, Han Solo. Every time I get a match, the third click, instead of flipping over something, is going to just flip those back down so that I can flip something up. I already picked Han Solo. Death Star. Let me see if I can find a match. It's really hard on hard. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen. Oh, yeah, there we go. All right, got one. So now, as you can see, I've got a match. So now they are going to stay flipped, and I'm going to move on to trying to find other stuff. Now, another thing that you may have noticed is that the adaptive scaling of the app puts in a different size advertisement depending on where, whether we're viewing it on a phone or just, shrunk it down on a desktop PC to be smaller, or whether we're like going full screen mode on a 1080p monitor, which this isn't quite the resolution of a 1080p monitor, but it's kind of close. Lockdod, Naboo. So it's a little easier to read when, oh, I've seen that guy before. No, that's Admiral Veers. Yeah, so this could take a long time. Now, one of the things that I plan on doing is I plan on making, just like in my legacy application, the medium and hard versions of this game be a premium feature to make this application a freemium application, meaning it's free, but there are premium features that you can purchase using in-app purchases. So you can play it on easy, and if you don't get bored out of your mind, maybe I should make easy a little bit more easier, because even easy, could take some time. Oh, that's confusing. I got Java and I got the Hut. Java. Yeah, I think I need to make easy easier. Because the whole point of making it free is so that people get an idea of what the game is going to be like without forking over dough to see if they like it. Oh, that's really confusing. Death Star 1 and Death Star 2. But to make it like easy enough that they get bored with it, so I might move this down to like I can't make it 3x3. I can't really make it 2x2. That would almost be too easy. So yeah, maybe I'll just leave it on easy, or maybe I'll just leave it 4x4. I don't know. We'll see. I could put it in 3x3 and just have a blank space right here, I guess. But whatever. So anyways, medium. It's it's kind of fun. Another thing that I did with the legacy game or the legacy app, but with a different game, not the memory game, but is a more sophisticated game. I don't know why I didn't do the match game. This is pretty fun, and it's pretty easy implementation. But another thing besides, I did the easy, medium, and hard, but another thing that I did was if you logged in, right, then I would track your score against your username. So you could show, and every time you finish the game, your score would go on the highest ranking score if you did really well or something. So we would keep track of the top 10 scores for the game. And that typically on the Guess Who game is a point function. But you know what? I don't know. I'm kind of wondering if, I could come up with a point system for, basically, if you can finish in so many seconds, the number of matches that you have in those seconds is worth X, right? But I don't know. But I'd have to figure out the point structure. In the Guess Who game, the whole point was basically the easy was I think it was actually a 2x2 grid, and there was just one picture there, and it would gradually reveal a piece of that image. Before the whole picture was revealed, you had to guess who it was, right? So if it was Java, this picture would be cut in half, in 4 little parts on easy, and then it would just reveal this little upper corner. And if you recognize that little eyeball was Java Hut, then you'd be like, oh, that's Java Hut, and you'd pick from 4 randomly selected topic names, right? And then medium and hard, it split the picture into smaller pieces, and then gave you less time to do it. So there's lots of different things that we can do for medium and hard to make it more challenging. And I think it'll be pretty easy to port the Guess Who game over, because all that code, was written for Windows 8. So it'd just be a matter of kind of porting over that C# that makes that stuff work. Anyways, really long video. Holy crap. I'm going to close it out. A little demo of the game functionality. I still have to get rid of this annoying vertical scroll bar. I have to have end of game events. I might want to throw in a sound effect, when you get a match, and when, if you get all the matches and whatnot. And then I also have to add the in-app purchase around the medium and hard level. So a lot of stuff to do just for a simple little game like this. But I think users are going to be pretty excited by having multiple games, mini games that they can play and unlock and get access to with one of these Touch Topix applications. So anyway, pretty cool. Hope you like this video, and let me know what your thoughts are, and if you have any other ideas for other mini games that we could use. Given that we have a plethora of content at our disposal, thanks to the content administration system. Anyways, that's it for now. See you.